Discover Fairmate, a leading Indian multinational corporation that stands at the forefront of the construction chemicals industry. With their focus on affordability and quality, they bring forth solutions and services that cater to customers worldwide. Fairmate introduces Setrelease. It is supplied as a pale umber liquid which turns brown when diluted with water to produce a chemical release agent, combining the outstanding release properties of such materials with the economy of a conventional oil. Setrelease is used for easy and stain-free release of concrete molds and formwork of all types. Advantages of Setrelease: no cleaning of unsightly oil stains if plastering is not required. Produces really fair-faced concrete finish concrete. Can be used on all types of molds. Minimises cleaning, thus makes cleaning of form faces between pores very easily. Provide a water repellent, rainproof, rust-inhibiting film to the formwork. For more information about product, please call toll-free 1-8001-234534 or visit us at www.fairmate.com.